Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I thought I'd take you along for a bit of a what I ate in a day because I love cooking. I've been loving cooking and making recipes my whole life, so I thought I'd take you along for that today. We're just at a free camp, we've woken up, taken Miley for some exercise, and now it's time for some coffee and breakfast. I've just gotten into drinking coffee and my best friend actually gifted me a mocha pot for my birthday, so now I can make actual authentic coffee, which is so nice. But I don't have any milk, I've run out, so I'm just gonna have a black this morning. Every morning I have like a yogurt chia seed fruit bowl. That's why I'm soaking the chia seeds, and then I just like let the fruit defrost a bit, and then it's just like a beautiful texture. I add yogurt, protein powder, granola, and it's so good. The smell of coffee in the bus is so nice. I love it, and I'm definitely converted. So it's lunchtime. I've parked up at a beach for the day. I've just been doing editing and then I've taken Miley for a walk, but let's make some lunch. The whole time traveling Australia, I've never owned a toaster because I just don't have the space for another appliance. So I just toast my bread in a pan and it actually works so perfectly. Okay, lunch is served. I also have a little date with peanut butter for a sweet treat. But that's my lunch. I've literally spent the whole day parked up at a beach, going to the beach, playing with Miley, going back in the bus editing, and just like going back and forth doing that. My friend who travelled with me for 2 weeks has gone home, and since then I've been kind of in a weird place. Like, I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'm also waiting to get my windscreen fixed, so I'm literally just like hanging around waiting to get that done before I can keep traveling. I've got lots of plans for the rest of this year because I'm obviously heading north. Gonna go diving with whale sharks in Exmouth. That's already booked, but currently I'm just like in a really weird place for a couple of weeks, just trying to figure things out. So it hasn't really been a very exciting day, which is fine. But yeah, if you're ever wondering, you know, what do you do all day, sometimes it is full of adventure, and then sometimes it's not full of adventure, which is like currently right now. It is now 3 p.m, so I'm going to drive to our site for the night and play with Miley, and then literally wrap up the day. So super boring day today. Just playing a bit of frisbee. Come by. Alright, I'm back at my site after spending the day at the beach, and now it's time for some dinner. I discovered kangaroo burgers, and they are so yum. It's such a cheap and lean protein, but it's so delicious. So I'm gonna have that. And one of my worst things is like I buy salads and vegetables and like I tell myself that I'm gonna use them, and then they just like get forgotten in the fridge. So I'm gonna make like an apple salad, like apple slaw salad, I don't know, make something with it, and then I have leftover vegetables. I pretty much always have some form of leftovers every day because I always like cook a little bit more, because one, it saves gas, and two, it saves time. If I've had like a long day driving, like today it's a really long day driving, and I don't need to like peel, cut and boil sweet potato because I've already got it. As you can see, everyone's a bit tired today. Can you smell it? That's my dinner done. Normally I would have dessert like a bit of chocolate and some tea, but I don't have any chocolate, and I'm gonna go to bed now because I need to get up early tomorrow. I need to just clean up this mess. I did make extra burger for tomorrow. Everything is tidied up and I'm going to go to bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.